Remember all those magical places in your favorite childhood stories? And did you wish you could visit them? Well, guess what? Your wish came true. Hey, I'm Mel, and I'm here in Fantasyland, which has always been the heart of Magic Kingdom and home of all your favorite Disney stories. Now, this magical place is almost double in size, and new Fantasyland is bringing those classic stories to life like never before. Let's check it out. When it's all finished, new Fantasyland will be the biggest expansion in the Magic Kingdom Park history. On one side is the Enchanted Forest, full of lush greenery, roaring waterfalls, and 2 new castles, all Imagineered to put you right in the middle of your favorite fairy tales.
Due to the fact that guests are seeing entertainment in ways they have never seen it before in movies, in print, and online, Walt Disney Imagineering is really stepping it up and really bringing that into our attractions in ways we've never done in the past.
The artistry and attention to detail all around really do bring your favorite story. There's Belle! Shh, I used to love story time when I was a little girl. I know this one. The heroes of our story, that's us, begin in Maurice's workshop, where a magical mirror, love those, becomes our doorway to adventure. Belle and Lumiere help us relive the one about a really cute guy who acted like a jerk and got really, really hairy, and then the furniture and the dinnerware started talking and singing, and sorry, spoiler alert, I'll just have to let you experience it for yourself. Oh, Belle, hi.
Oh, bonjour. That was a lovely tune you were singing.
Well, thanks. It's Belle. Hey, Belle, I'm pretty famished. Any ideas?
I'm sure they could whip something up for you in the dining room. Would you like to be our guest?
Let me think about it. Yes, where do I go?
While the dishes prepare, why don't you explore the village? Then go through the forest, follow the bridge, and I'll make sure you receive a magical welcome.
That is the best offer I've had all day. Thanks. I see the castle. Now, where's that bridge? Oh, this guy looks familiar. Excuse me, sir, do you know where the Beast Castle is?
Beast, where's the Beast?
Whoa, easy, big guy. I'm just looking for the Be Our Guest restaurant.
What does the Beast have that I don't? Does he have a chiseled jawline or amazing biceps like this? Just stick around here, I'll show you my trophy collection inside.
Thanks, but I think I'm good on trophies for now. I'm assuming this guy was not the magical welcome I was promised. Take care, lover boy. Now this is a magical welcome. Thank you. All the stunning details in Beast Castle, like gargoyles, grand murals, and gently falling snow, help immerse you in this tale as old as time like never before. You can dine in one of 3 incredibly styled rooms in the castle and even see the Enchanted Rose. Look, but don't touch. Beast can get a little cranky about that flower. Beast isn't the only one with the new castle, though. Prince Eric has his own charming little seaside spot as well, where you can climb aboard your very own clamshell and experience Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid. On the other side of New Fantasyland is Storybook Circus, where you can step right up and celebrate the golden age of big top entertainment. And if you really believe, you can take flight on not 1, but 2 Dumbo the Flying Elephant attractions. There's even more magic, music, and thrills coming soon with the 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. Thanks for joining me on this journey.